Do you think the international community can do something?
There's a lot we can do. First of all, the campaign with the international community should continue for attention to be drawn to what is happening. The UN should be aware of what is happening. Various international bodies should be aware of what is happening. Those that can have some voice, those that borrow our government's money, because on account of this widespread insecurity, our economy is going down like never before. By 2015, when this government took over, we had 150 naira to $1 officially. Today we have 500 naira to $1.
Yeah.
Things are getting terrible because industries are closing. Companies are relocating to either Kenya or Ghana or South Africa. Farmers are not able to go to farm. I mean, it's now a risky affair to go to your farm. There are parts of this country where hordes of people are living in internally displaced camps, IDP camps. So many people are now suffering. Part of that, the Psychospiritual Institute is what myself and our colleagues set up, including Missio Aachen. We set up to help deal with some of the consequences of all this crisis by offering psychotherapy in an integrated way with spirituality. So at the Institute, you have students coming from troubled parts of Nigeria, of South Sudan, of the Congo, of Rwanda, of Cote d'Ivoire, of Sierra Leone. We have students from all over who are training to go and help people in their various countries. Our first campus is in Karen. There is a Marist College in Karen. It is affiliated to Queer. We take our lessons in Marist. We do master's degree in psychospiritual therapy, where many priests come and religious come, and we train them to become experts in giving psychological and spiritual support to people who are suffering in an integrated manner, because a lot of the programs they do in other places are psychology or psychological counseling or counseling this and that, but it is not in an integrated manner. We tried to integrate religion and science. It was a special program that Queer approved. So people now train so that at one time as a priest, if you do that course, you are sitting down as in one capacity as a counselor and a spiritual director. So we have our people working in prisons, in drug rehabilitation centers, in psychiatric units, in all kinds of capacities, then in their parishes, and some have even set up counseling units. Because I will say, in a country like Nigeria, no less than 50% of the human beings around here are traumatized today. Just knowing that you cannot go to bed and you are no longer able to expect that everything will be all right. You wake up and everything will be all right tomorrow. Because every day you are hearing the news of people being kidnapped. In the month of May, the head of the army, the chief of army staff, provost general of the Nigerian army, the head of military intelligence died in a plane crash under suspicious circumstances. In February, you had an Air Force plane bombing soldiers on the ground. An Air Force plane bombing soldiers on the ground. So all these things are happening. People are suffering. People are losing loved ones. The loved ones are maimed. So there is tension, there is fear, there is trauma in the land. Let me confess something to you. Unfortunately, till today, it is difficult to even get funding to run such projects that we are trying to use to help deal with the trauma situation in our environment. Normal European agencies are looking for deliverables. They are looking for things that, you can buy blankets and bags of rice and so on and so forth and go and deliver and then write the names of the people you gave. And the next day, you are able to write a report. Those are the easier ones to do. When you do the kind of training we are trying to do, for you to get the outcome results, it will take many years.